Post office at home. Post office at home. Alright, post office. Post office. Here we come. Post office. It's going to rain, Mom.
That's alright.
Rain, Mom.
Need water.
Need water.
Yep, need water. So we don't have a drought.
Uh-huh. What is the weather it's going to be tomorrow? So, dog out. Paul Sauls. Can you hear that? Rain. Here. Listen to the rain. Yeah, man, rain's on. Yeah, good love. I know. And then today, I'll show you a little bit of gameplay on my computer. Getting closer to the pulse house. Uh-huh.
Ring around the rosy.
Ring Rosie. If I'm out. Alright. We're saying goodbye. Goodbye. Mail. Alright, mail. Goodbye, mail. Goodbye, Mew.
We're not there yet, Willie.
I do it. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mom.
Okay.
It's no okay. Fine, right? And then. Alrighty. Bye, Mew. See you later. Oh. The camera. There we go. See you later, Mew. Home we go.
Yeah, and we're staying home. It's about bedtime.
Yeah, man, I go back to home. Rain, rain, rain. Green, green, green. GREN, green. Yeah, Mom.
URPLE.
Oh, yeah?
Purple.
Purple?
Purple.
No, it's green! Let's find out.
You.
Oh, you always see it crack me out one time.
Yeah, I do what I can.
Anyway.
Yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Anyway. Said part of the time, yeah. Yeah, we always do. Well, sometimes, whatever. Alright, guys, we're almost home. Home. Oh, yeah? I do that for you, mouth for it.
Okay.
Oh, you can?
Yep, yep.
Oh, yeah, you're doing that? Oh, yeah? Come on. Watch me. What I do that for?
Because you stuck your tongue out me.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Beans and time that way. We are almost home. Home. Home, home, home. Huh? Sit.
Take it out.
Yeah, sit, my man.
Tired. It's been a long week.
And we're home. We're home!
Yibba-dabba-doo.
It's gonna rain all day, Mom.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, folks, see. Thanks for watching. Now we never. Go to my Twitter.com, that's Wally Weiss. And my Facebook page, that's Wally Weiss, to follow around. And we'll see you guys next time.